Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Code Seekers. This is part 2 of my videos on practicing two-dimensional arrays in C++. In this part, we will perform a task to write a program that asks the user to enter values of two matrices and display the sum of those two matrices. For that purpose, size of both matrices should be same. As here you can see the size of both the matrices is same, and when we sum them, here is the result. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.